Meet the AstroAI Tire Inflator Portable Air Compressor, an essential tool for every vehicle owner. It's perfect for cars, bicycles, and even sports equipment. What makes it stand out is its tough ultra technology. This revolutionary manufacturing process enhances durability and increases service life by an impressive 30%. Say goodbye to manual monitoring. This inflator features programmable inflation. Just set your desired pressure, and it will automatically stop once it reaches that level. The compact design allows for easy storage in your vehicle. You can fit it in glove compartments, under seats, or in trunks. It's so lightweight you'll hardly notice it's there. Nighttime use is also made easy. The LED flashlight and backlit screen help you see what you're doing, even in the dark. Don't just take our word for it. With over 93,000 positive reviews, users rave about its reliability and efficiency for all inflating tasks. Looking for a multi-purpose air compressor? Look no further. The AstroAI Tire Inflator is perfect for any inflating task. Want to grab one for yourself? Check out the link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic product reviews.